Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily set up the gyroscope on the LENOVO Legion GO S. So, at first we have to tap the menu button in the bottom left corner and here settings. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of options. We have to scroll to controller and enter it. Here we have calibration advanced settings. Let's tap open here, and here we have the gyro calibration. And as you can see, now if I move our gyro, we can just see that something is changing, and here we can calibrate. This process requires the control to be perfectly still. Before proceeding, place the control on a stable surface. Let's continue, and now our gyro is being set up. Let's wait a moment now. It may take a while, so don't worry. I'm going to show you the whole process without any cuts. And so as you can see, mine gyro calibration should end earlier. It is going on for 5 minutes now. We can tap cancel here. And yeah, that's all. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.